Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. In this video, you'll learn the difference between the two words remember and remind. These words are often confused by English learners, but they have different meanings and uses. So let's take a look at them. Remember means to have something in your mind or your memory. You can remember something that happened in the past or something that you need to do in the future. For example, I remember the first time I met you. It was a rainy day and you had a red umbrella. Oh, remember to call your mum tomorrow. It's her birthday. Do you remember his name? He works in our office. Do you remember? I can't remember his name. Remind, on the other hand, means to make someone remember something. Now, you can remind someone of something that happened in the past or something they need to do in the future. For example, you remind me of my sister. You have the same smile. Can you remind me to buy some milk on the way home? I always forget. Notice the pronoun me after remind. Remind me. Okay. Remind me to buy milk. You remind me of my sister. She reminded him of their anniversary. He'd forgotten. As you can see, remember is used when you have something in your own mind or memory, and remind is used when you help someone else remember something. Remember is often followed by a noun or a verb with ing. And remind is often followed by a person and the preposition of or to. To summarize, remember means to have something in your mind or your memory, and remind means to make someone remember something. Now let's look at some more examples. Say them with me and practice. I remember the first time I went abroad. You remind me of my dad. Remember to phone the doctor. Can you remind me to put petrol in the car? If this video was useful, please like and subscribe. And if you like the expression, you remind me of someone, write it down, record it, use it, practice it, put it in an email as soon as possible. If you don't use these expressions, then you probably won't remember them. So I'm reminding you to write them down. Please remember to leave a comment below with your own examples of using remember and remind in sentences. My name's Craig, thanks for watching and have a great day.